In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly get back to recent files or chats in Microsoft Teams. We all know how dynamic Microsoft Teams can be, with constant switching between conversations, documents, and channels. It's incredibly easy to lose track of that vital file or specific chat you just had open. Fortunately, Teams provides a remarkably efficient method to quickly revisit your most recent activities, saving you precious time and unnecessary clicks. Our first step involves a fundamental navigation tool, the back button. To begin, simply move your mouse cursor to the top left corner of your Microsoft Teams application window. You'll find the back button here, clearly marked by a left-pointing arrow. This button is your gateway to efficiently navigating your history within the application. With your cursor now over the back button in the top left, we're going to unlock its extended functionality. Rather than just a single click, which would take you back one screen, you need to access its hidden menu. You can do this by either right-clicking the back button or by hovering your mouse over it until a small drop-down arrow appears, which you then click. This action will reveal a concise menu. Within this pop-up list, you'll clearly see an option labeled Recent Activities. This is your golden ticket. A single click on Recent Activities will immediately display a comprehensive rundown of all your recently viewed items, be they chats, files, posts, or meetings, saving you from endless manual navigation. Upon clicking Recent Activities, your Teams window will swiftly present a neatly organized list of your most recent interactions. This view isn't merely a step back, it's a chronological overview of your engagement across the entire platform. The most recent items will consistently appear at the top, making current tasks easy to find. Each entry on this list is thoughtfully designed to provide instant context. You'll see the type of activity, such as a chat, a document name, or a channel conversation. Additionally, associated details like contact names for private messages or channel names for team posts are clearly visible. Take a brief moment to visually scan this streamlined list, as it's optimized for rapid identification. With your comprehensive list of recent activities now visible, your next task is to quickly pinpoint the exact file or chat you intend to revisit. Take a moment to carefully examine each entry, paying close attention to its descriptive text. For instance, if you're searching for a document, you'll see its title prominently displayed. For chats, the individual contact name or the group chat title will be clearly listed. If your aim is a specific message within a channel, the channel's name will provide that context. Utilize the chronological order of the list. Knowing approximately when you last engaged with the item can help you rapidly narrow down your focus, making identification straightforward and efficient. Once you've successfully identified the specific recent file or chat you want to access from the displayed list, the final step is incredibly simple and satisfying. All you need to do is perform a single left click directly on the desired entry. Instantly, Microsoft Teams will navigate you to that exact location, whether it's opening the document directly, taking you into the specific chat conversation, or highlighting the relevant post within a channel. This seamless transition is the ultimate payoff for using this powerful shortcut. You've bypassed numerous manual navigation steps, saved valuable time, and are now precisely where you need to be. It truly is one of the most efficient ways to manage your workspace and keep your workflow continuous and uninterrupted in Teams.